Ito ang house ni Ima. Ito yung sa gilid. Dito ako sa terrace. Ayan. Let's Lego! Lalabas siya. Daming halaman si Ima, look. Okay, pasok tayo, okay? Sa house ni Ima. Sino ang tanghali ng gumising? So, yan yung house ni Ima. Sino ang tanghaling gumising? Ayan. Sino ang tanghaling gumising? Ito po ang kwarto ni Gab Gab. Sino ang tanghaling gumising? The name is Gab Gab. His name is Gab Gab. He wake up late. One more. He wake up late. He's watching SpongeBob last night. He wake up late. He wake up late. Look. Oh, plenty toys. That's Gab Gab toys. That's yours, Gab Gab? Yes. Oh, yes. Wow, plenty. It's here. Oh, more here. Oh, it's more here. Oh, that's Gab Gab. That's Ate. Okay, bye-bye, Gab Gab.
Bye-bye.
See you later. See you later. Nag-board. Ate Che. Oh, yan. CR. Okay, ito yung side. Side. Laruan ni Gab Gab. Mga dahon-dahon dyan. O, yan. Paradahan. Okay. What else? O, yan. Mga gamit-gamiting. Yan. Paradahan. Eme-eme. So, yan. Medyo late. Madilim-dilim pa ngayon. Umuulan. Ito ang room ni Ima. Room ni Ima. Ang room ni Ima. Okay. On TV. Ang daming food ni Ima, oh. Toilet ni Ima.
Pagkagising ng daddy mo sasabihin.
Dito mo pala pinagawa. Sa bahay niyo pinagawa.
Oo, dyan lang yung pinagawa.
Yeah. It's good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Ish. Nine. Oh, wake her up. Jang. Jang. Wake her up. Still sleeping. Who's the late? Sinong late gumising? Her name is Jang. Her name is Jang. Jang. Wake her up, please. Wake her up. Wake her up.
Wake up.
Wake up. Tell her, wake up. Tell her, wake up. Tell her, wake up. Tell her, wake up. Gab is here. Gab is here. Come inside. Go inside. Gab. Go inside. Wake up na. Let's go. Let's go. Slowly, huh? Slowly, Bunso. I will go first. I will hold your hand. Let's go. 1,
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more. 10, 11, 12, 13. Yay! You did it. Finish. SpongeBob,
yes,
say please. Say please.
Patrick.
Patrick, say please, Patrick.
Please, Patrick.
Just wandering out in the streets, maybe passing out. What is us?
Who's pretty? Ate May, Ate Dean, Ate Jack, Ate Jenny. Who's pretty? Go!
Ate Jack!
One more, one more.
Kasi tingnan yung ganito ko eh.
Oh, nag-ano pa? Nag-explain.
bawas points kasi yun eh.
Oh, you listen. Who's fat? Ate May, Ate Dean, Ate Jack, Ate Jenny. Who's fat?
Ate Jack!
Who's sexy? Ate May, Ate Dean, Ate Jang, Ate Jenny. Who's the sexiest? Go!
Yeah!